Oi, oi, oi. So
What was this?
What is it?
This is car
it's a roof.
upside down.
Oh.
Upside down.
Oh, how it possible?
And it actually, where is it? It's between the tunnel and Hospital Turn. It's exactly the same place where. So Matveyevs is here running under double yellow flags. And I don't know if
Or
Polish
even red flags, and it could
I
be the
don't
end of the race.
Yeah, probably yes. Yeah, that is red flag is out. Red flag is out. So whoever it is, he will be classified. So what happened here? Ran into the back.
So Yaris car and number 6.
No, it's the number 6.
Jump.
Yeah.
Hard jump, of course, on this bump.
Oh, it was
1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5.
Whoa.
7 even times.
Wow!
What a
I
crash.
almost went over the fence,
Yes.
but almost not. Bits. So. Whoa! So the Mercedes tried to overtake from the outside, and I don't know if the number 1 radical driver didn't.
Out.
Op teams! Joop! Op teams!
Looks like it's a safety car around the track. I see ambulance and 2 evacuation cars going on the track, so it looks like there is a crash. Let's take a look on the live stream. Maybe we can from there. So right now, guys have to go around the track on the safety car.
God, what the fuck? Tu nevari būt! Miljons tikko ir izstāja. Nevar dabūt laukā Dievs!
What an event here! So 2 cars out of the race.
Sloks vienkārši strīds, kas te ko notika.
So the radical car is out of the race and AMG GT3 is also. So the 2 cars in that
Kas te
race.
ko notika.
Let's see here. Absolutely a full replay, but yeah.
Ak, Dievs! Es nezinu. Lūk, mans Dievs! Divas rādošās automašīnas kāpari. Tas bija vienkārši. Dievs, reku viņas vadotās detaļas, tā viss. Es redzu, ka lokas strīds. Piedodiet, ka kamera tā izstās. Loka, Dievs. Kurpes pat nevar dabūt mesīt. Ir lietus līst. Visi tagad ir ārā, kaut vai lietus līst. To smoga ir vienkārši. Smogas ir vienkārši. Man ir augsta lietu, bet jūs zināt, cik šitas viss dārgi. Es vienkārši visu nopelnēšu. Es vienkārši pirmais stāvā arī notika pirmais, es kliedzu un skrēju šeit. Es uzkāpšu augšā. Ak, mans Dievs! Paldies Dievam, visi ir dzīvi. Paldies Dievam. Paldies Dievam, mašīna nebija pāri žogam. Tūlīt ātrie malas. Visi jāsaka. Es ko man rādu. Jūs zināt, cik šitas mērsīts ir dārgs? Visām mašīnām šitas ir jāpārāk. Reiz mašīnas ir būs. Nabaga mērsis. Nabaga šitā forma. Ak, mans Dievs. Visu tagad letenis pēc visu. Mans patīk, daudz visu. Lamborghini ir pirmā vieta. Rieku kaut kas tā kā ārā, kaut kas tā kā ārā. Rieku veidi, kaut kas tā kā ārā.
Let's see how the other clock there is another 40 minutes left on that clock.
Es nezinu, vai tik liela bija avārija iepriekš vakardienas sākumā. Bet šī tik liela avārija nebija. Divas automašīnas cietas. Apgāstas. Paldies Dievam, riepās ietriecās. Redz kaut kā cita. Mašīna vienkārši sapkot, tāpat no mašīnā var formu. Jā, ak, mans Dievs. Tik daudz šodien nemotivatoriem izmantot traktors atbrauc. Tā formula vienkārši.
We received some information that actually sounds like that Ramon Santos is actually ran out of fuel and since he was evacuated to the pit line, I think he's still participating. Salva is still pumping in some fuel, so he most likely will be back on track, but still several cars going to the pit lane. We might see wet tires on the car. And the SAMG customer
Līdīgi svātra atpakaļ, cik kas bija galda, bija šitas. Vienmēr, ja tur uz torni tas tur. Ja mašīnas pār šīs pušākā lieta. Tas varēja būt ātri aizbrauc. Viņi, protams, palaid visus. Rekur riepas ir salūstas. Jā, riepas. Tas viss notika Pīternieku trasē. Es nezināju, vai šis Grand Prix 025 uz Evalds.